powers in the hands of the
शुरू करें
government. Various
पाटिल
proposals
साहब
in the
प्रारंभ
bill.
कीजिए. हाँ, प्लीज.
The bill can be termed as a means to crush dissent and concentrate powers in the hands of the government. Various proposals in the bill will only enhance government powers and restrict foreign-funded civil society work in India. The amendment bill seeks to prohibit public servants from receiving any foreign fundings and also proposes to reduce the use of foreign funds to meet the administrative cost by NGOs from the existing 50% to 20%. The bill would be used against the people who speak against the government, and it would give unbridled power to the government. The clause is in this bill states that it will allow the central government to hold a summary inquiry to direct bodies with FCRA approval to not utilize the unutilized foreign contributions to receive the remaining portion of the foreign contribution. The clause states provided the central government on the basis of any information or report and after holding a summary inquiry has reason to believe that a person who has been granted prior permission had contravened and any of the provisions of this act, it may, pending any further inquiry, direct that such person shall not utilize the unutilized foreign contributions or receive the remaining portion of foreign contribution which has not been received, or as the case may be, any additional foreign contributions without prior approval of the central government. This will crush dissent and confine unnecessary power in the hands of the government. This is mainly directed at minority organization. Freedom of social organization working in rural and tribal areas will be hampered. The idea should be deregulate foreign funding and not over-regulate. These amendment will be ensure that the ease of doing business for the civil society organizations gets significantly curtailed, even as the case of doing business continues to be enhanced for corporation working for profit. The amendment seeking to limit the use of foreign funds for the administrative purpose will impact research and advocacy organizations which use which use the funding to meet their administrative costs. Many of them will have to shut down. The amendment is brought about. Another proposed amendment is the prohibition of the transfer of funds received from foreign contributions to any other persons or entity. No person who is registered and granted a certificate or has obtained prior permissions under this act and receive any foreign contributions or transfer.
Okay.
Half minute, sir. Such foreign contribution to any other person, the bill states this amendment would have a devastating impact on the community work being done by the various NGOs. A lot of similar grassroots organization work by way of getting money from larger organizations that aggregate the funds. And now with that route closed, thousands of similar organizations will be impacted. The clause prohibiting public servants from receiving foreign funding has also drawn flags. Thank you, sir.
Sir, thank you very much. I would like to raise a few pointed questions and I'd ask the Honorable Minister to reply to all 4 questions.